हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस लेक्चर के अंदर हम देखेंगे दिसंबर जो 24 है उसका शिफ्ट 1 के क्वेश्चन लाइफ साइंस के पार्ट सी के। एन एंजाइम हैज बीन फाउंड टू efficiently catalyze the following reaction। ए बी के अंदर चलना क्या होता के आर, तो ये कह रखा है कि आर क्या है, पैरामीटर विल इंक्रीज और कैटालाइज रिएक्शन। तो इसके अंदर आता है बी पेप्टाइड 1। ये तो छोड़ो, काम का ही नहीं है। फिर देखो सबस्ट्रेट कंसंट्रेशन विद एंजाइम with K cut 13s minus 1 and Km of 0.05 from which one quarter of its maximum rate 1.65 into 10 per minus 3 meter to 1.75 into 10 per minus 3 meter। फिर देखो a cytoplasmic monomeric protein contains single non surface exposed to cysteine residue participant level cysteine is measured to isolation. However, the cysteine is measured to in the protein remains soluble and fractionation similar is a native state. Systematic transmission causes a steric hindrance in the core of the protein while mutation to alanine does not. Cysteine is small polar residue often found in protein cores where it may contribute to structural stability. When cysteine is replaced with high solution or bulky hydrophobic residue, it introduces strict hindrance in the tight packed core leading to potential misfolded and participation. On the other hand, LR is a small non-polar residue close resembles in terms of size and hydrophobicity, allowing the protein to regenerate its structure and core. Soluble functional hindrance isolation leads to aggregation while does not disturb the core packaging. The motion D is good. फिर क्या है इसके अंदर, छोटा वाला क्वेश्चन जो देखो, जो लेफ्ट हैंडेड जो है ना वो है जेड फॉर्म। द जेड डीएनए कन्फर्मेशन इज लेफ्ट हैंडेड और ए बी आर राइट हैंडेड। 10 बेस पैटर्न जो है बी के अंदर पाया जाता है। द स्टैंडर्ड बी टर्न हैज 10 बेस पेयर पैटर्न मेकिंग दिस करेक्ट मैच। बेस पेयर आर ऑफ सेंटर। तो वही एम कम के अंदर आता है डीएनए बेस पेयर्स आर टाइप tilted and often centered. RNA double helix form RNA typically adopt a form helix due to ribose to avoid steric concentrants. फिर देखो प्रोटीन X is external from disrupt reduced plasma membrane with high salt concentration treatment of intact hydroxide with 40 years of registration led to intact 14X treatment of disrupted plasma membrane with 40 years followed by extraction lead to fragmented X। करेक्ट बताना हमको, तो करेक्ट है बी। एक्स प्रोटीन क्या है, पेरिफेरल मेम्ब्रेन है। एक्स इज ऑन द साइटोप्लाज्मिक फेस ऑफ द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन। ठीक है, देखो प्रोटीन है एक सब्सटेंस यूजिंग हाई सैचुरेशन दिस इंडिकेट दैट इज अ पेरिफेरल मेम्ब्रेन प्रोटीन बिकॉज़ peripheral protein obstruct with the membrane via non-covalent interaction for hydrogen bond and can be removed by high salt pH changes. This support statement a protein X is a peripheral membrane protein. Treatment of intact reticulocyte with protease followed by extraction results in intact protein X. This means that protease could not access protein X, implying that it is located on protein the cytosolic phase of the plasma. This supports statement D protein X is on the cytosolic phase of the plasma. And treatment of disrupted such plasma membrane with the protein phases followed by extraction led to fragmented protein X. This suggests that after membrane destruction, protease was able to access clean protein. This further confirms that the protein was inside the membrane. And cytosolic are not exposed extracellularly. Whether protein is encouraged, integral membrane protein is encouraged because integral membrane protein are embedded within the membrane and require detergent for extraction, not just high is salt concentration. Extracellular matrix species is encouraged because protein treatment of intact cell degrade the protein when it was not on the extracellular phase. फिर देखो स्पिंडल असेंबली इन एनिमल सेल रिक्वायर न्यूक्लियर एनिमल ब्रेकडाउन एंड EBD न्यूक्लियर एनिमल ब्रेकडाउन न्यूक्लियर एनिमल NABD is a multi-step process which begins with cytokine cycling 1 cycling B phosphorylate multiple components of the nuclear animal given below are some components that are directly phosphorylated by cytokine cycling B. तो इसके अंदर हमको बताना है विद करेक्ट CDK1 cycling B substrate that are directly associated with NAB हो जाता है सिन न्यूक्लियर कोर कॉम्प्लेक्स है और न्यूक्लियर लेमिना है देखो न्यूक्लियर एनोड ब्रेकडाउन is a creation step in mitosis allowing spindle microtubule to access chromosome. This process is regulated by CDK one cyclin B which phosphorylate multiple nuclear 14 nuclear core complex CDK one cyclin B phosphorylate nuclear core 14 leading to the disassembly a key step in NAVD nuclear lamina. The nuclear lamina A, B, C are directly phosphorylated by CDK1B causing dephosphorylation and nuclear and all have disassembly. Neither protein is in gettable kinase not directly involved in any ability to regulate PP2A influencing mitotic propagation but no or nuclear envelope breakdown. Histone S3 phosphorylated by aurora B kinase not or CDK1 cycle which is associated with a chromatin condensation not NABD. फिर देखो forming a nucleus linear active filament assembly and remain attached to the groovy class and ARP23 complex nuclear assembly to form branch actin network important for cell motility covalent ADP actin filament and enhance depolymerization promoting actin and thanatopromyosin stabilize actin filament and regulate the interaction of actin with other proteins. देखो इसके अंदर ए जो है वो क्या है सिंक्रोनस है asynchronous cells divide at the same time leading to stepwise growth pattern. B जो है asynchronous है shows a typically signal growth curve due to the cell dividing independently. C जो है continuous culture में internal steady growth rate resulting in a linear increase in cell number. D जो है वो होता है dioxy growth occurs when bacteria shifts from one energy source to another producing a characteristics two phase curve with the temperature lag phase. ये देखो ATP war point fuses ATP and uses to trans molecule against their concentration of electrochemical gradient active transport is uniport facilitate passive transport of hydrophilic molecule down their concentration gradient facilitated diffusion channels allows the free diffusion of a molecule like example as ions or water surface membrane without using energy Symporter move two molecules together and one moves against its gradient using the energy from another moving down its gradient secondary active transport फिर देखो प्रोटीन इज डेसिनेटेड टू लाइसोसोम आर protected in monocytic phosphate in the Golgi monocytic phosphate receptor in the trans Golgi network binds to the pegged protein and target them to lysosome. फिर देखो the SRP involved in the translation targeting of protein to the ER not the mitochondrial member mitochondrial protein import is mediated by Tom and Tim complexes not SRP. फिर देखो the caudal receptor return soluble ER resident protein like BIP and PD even that have accidentally moved to the Golgi recognize the caudal sequence of return these proteins to the ER via covalent particle. देखो कब सेकंड वेसिकल mediate ER to Golgi transport cargo protein needing export from the ER to the Golgi have an extra export signal and in their cytosolic tail which helps in the packaging into the second coated vesicle. फिर देखो let's say coated vesicle are not primarily involved in the Golgi to ER transport. Instead, covalent vesicle mediate retrograde transport Golgi to ER. Now, while collecting coated vesicle mainly function endocytosis transport from the trans Golgi to lysosome or plasma membrane. फिर देखो देखो in the lake lambda hybrid system lambda C1 gene is under the control of E. coli lake promoter meaning its expression is with the IPTG induction the lake blood gene is controlled by the lambda PRM promoter which is activated by the CI protein at a low IPTG there a little CI protein So leg Z expression is low. As IPTG increases, CI1 expression rises activation PM leading to an increase in leg Z expression. However, at very high IPTG levels, CI becomes too abundant, leading to self repression of PRM and decreased leg Z expression. This produces a sigmoidal shaped curve with leg Z first increase and then decreases. फिर made regarding Rochester modification in transcriptional regulation. तो इसमें से हमको करेक्ट बताना है, जो करेक्ट हो जाता है वो होता है बी. Methylation resistance can either activate or regress transcription depend on the specific residue modified. So the phosphorylation response occur in response to DNA damage and can influence gene expression. देखो stone acetylation because it is generally associated with transcription activation, not repression. Acetylation neutralizes the positive charge on the lysine residue, losing chromatin and making DNA more accessible to transcription. Histone methylation is correct. It can either activate or repress transcription depending on the specific residue modified. By example, S3K4 Me3 is associated with activation, while S3K9 Me3 and S3K27 Me are linked to repression. Histone and phosphorylation C is also where it is a play crucial role in the DNA damage response. For instance, S2AX phosphorylation gamma S2AX recruit a repair protein and influence gene expression. Statement D is incorrect because histone modification regulates both RNA polymerase recruitment and transcription factor binding as they create a docking site for chromatin remodeling and transcription. Regulation the recommend is B and C. फिर देखो insertion bases between leader peptide gene and sequence complete heteroversion. This disrupts the timing of transcription, translation, coupling, favoring the attenuation and higher constitutive for loop leading to complete termination of transcription. Inserting bases between sequence 2 to 3 less attenuation and this reduces formation of the anti-terminated structure 2 3 loop allowing more transcriptional and process deleting sequence 4 more attenuation sequence 4 is required to form 3 to 4 terminated loop is in deletion prevent proper termination leading to increased transcription elimination of ribosome binding site and for the leader peptide no attenuation without ribosome binding site translation of the leader peptide does not acquire preventing formation of the attenuation structure leading to continuous structure. फिर हमको बताना है द mRNA of देखो the polycystic mRNA ribosome binding and translation efficiency vary across different upon open reading frame leg is translated more frequently because differences in Shandalgona sequence of leg ZYA which influence ribosome binding affinity is stronger. Uh, Stronger Shandalgona sequence of stream of leg Z allows for more efficient ribosome recruitment leading to higher translation site. Ribosome must reinitiate translation at the Shandalgona sites leg Y and leg K which may have a lower affinity reducing the translation frequency. फिर देखो shine organ sequence are present in all three gene, not Z. Chetai because inhibitory RNA structure of its leg YA are not the primary reason to reduce translation. देखो variance variation in shine organ sequence ability affect translation initiation rate because inhibitory structure in the coding sequence would primarily affect the elongation, not initiation. This will undergo reversible and non-reversible post translation modification. The following statement describe the reversibility of some post-translational modification correct आ जाता है. देखो ubiquitinase is reversible due to deubiquitinase enzyme which remove ubiquitin from the protein. Bestialization is irreversible. It incorporates lipid modification and during process ADP ribosylation of DNA is reversible. Because एंजाइम कैन रिमूव मॉडिफिकेशन फिर रिएक्शन जो है irreversible है it involves a permanent and lipid attachment protein since B is correct state ubiquitination is reversible and minosterilization is reversible फिर देखो correctly identify the both clinization and minosterilization as irreversible. फिर देखो हमको बताना है देखो Pro- Proteobacteria can mutate flagellin and ligand for TRF5 to evade detection by TRF known as immune invasion strategy. देखो हेलिकोबैक्टर modifies its LPS it under acid lipid A to reduce recognition by TLR4 enabling immune system. फिर देखो Mycobacterium tuberculosis block fingers some slices of fish but does not escape through the cytosol. A strategy used by pathogen like Listeria. Java protein are produced by Yersinia, not influenza. Influenza uses MS1 protein to inhibit interferon, not inflammasomes. देखो S typhi bacterium does not directly target type 1 interferons. The IFN. The mechanism is more typical of virus. फिर देखो PTL inhibition engages PIP3 activation of AKT phosphorylation possible leading to cytoplasmic retention to reduce gene X expression. However, the statement claims gene X increases which contradicts the primary. फिर देखो AKT serine 308 British prevent phosphorylation at a critical activation site impaired AKT activity resulting in unphosphorylated phosphor remaining in the nucleus increases gene X expression. फिर देखो डिटेक्ट इंसुलिन रिसेप्टर रिड्यूस पीआई थ्री के सीजनली लिविंग फॉक्सो एक्टिव जीन एक्स डुप्लीकेशन पीटेन इनहिबिशन elevates PI3 independent partially restores AKT activity reversing FOXO driving gene expression. PDK1 phosphorylate AKT not FOXO. FOXO phosphorylate is mediated by AKT not PDK1. फिर देखो कैडेरियन और कैल्शियम डिपेंडेंट है and mediate homophilic same type cell addition. Tight junction are formed by claudins, occludins, not cadavins. And cadavins are found in neural muscle tissue, not epithelial tissue. Basal level addition involves integrins. Focal addition are focal addition used in integrin, not cadavin for cytoskeleton magnesium linkage. Cadavin interact with the actin cytoskeleton via catenin, beta catenin. There is no evidence to suggest that microtubules are lost during plasmolysis. In fact, research document the cortical microtubule during plasmolytic cells indicate they are not lost, lost but rather adjusted to changes in the cell. फिर देखो during plasmolysis, the protoplast, the living part of the cell, retract from the cell wall due to water loss. Hastings strands are actually preserved during plasmolysis, providing a network-like structure that maintain a contact between the plasma membrane and the cell wall. During plasmolysis, fine Hessian strands and network-like structure Hessian reticulate provide a contact between the plasma membrane and the cell wall, ensuring that parts of the plasma membrane remain attached. देखो if purified ECL1 is added to Cat9 for complex in vitro, the autophagy of Cat3 does not occur. This statement is incorrect. ये देखो ECL1 binding to Cat9 disrupt the Cat9 CD4 complex allowing CD4 to activate Cat3 over the autocleavage of Cat3 require the activation of Cat4 which is facilitated by ECL1 adaptation of cleavage 9 and C. Cat4 complex. Therefore, this statement seems incorrect as there are ambition to would facilitate not prevent Cat3 autocleavage. फिर देखो ग्रुप 1 नो सेल्स कंस्ट्रक्टर लिख लीजिए ये indicated mice cannot regenerate their immune system without donor cells. They lack hematopoietic recovery and are likely to survive. Statement is correct. फिर देखो group 2 thymus drive cells. Thymus drive cells are T cells polysaccharide antigens T dependent require B cells antibody production since group B to lack B cells they cannot Produce antibody. Growth in bone marrow contain hematopoietic stem cells that reconstruct B cell polysaccharides antigen activate B cell independently of T cells. Thus, group 3 produces antibody. The group 4 bone marrow. Bone marrow plus T dependent antigen. Bone marrow derived cells generate both T B and T cell T dependent antigens require T cell for B cell activation with functional TB. Group 4 produce antibody. देखो in most cell PPTG is bound to receptor protein to keep its inactivity which activated under oxidative stress. Oxidative stress when DNA damage separate P53 from its receptor. This is terminated in mammals. P53 is kept inactive by binding to protein like MDM2 until activated by stress signals such as oxidative stress which leads to release and activation. Depth to function as insulin like a growth factor. Receptor block frog head transcription factor and increase the lifespan. This treatment is also called up to act as insulin IGF-1 receptor in CNS and its reduced activity leads to the activation of DAF16, the frog head transcription factor which promote longevity. When DAF2 is inactivity, actually leads to increased longevity and discharge resistance through the activation of DAF16 which promote various protective mechanisms including DNA repair pathway. Dietary restriction typically decrease the mTOR activity which associated with increased longevity in various. फिर देखो डोर्सल वेंट्रल एक्सिस स्पेसिफिकेशन एम्फीबियन एम्ब्रियो तो होता है डब्ल्यू एंटी बीटा कैजन बीएमपी फॉर एक्टिव नोडुलिन. फिर देखो डोर्सल वेंट्रल एक्सिस स्पेसिफिकेशन मेमल लिम्ब के में किसकी वजह से होता है एनग्रेडर डब्ल्यू एंटी बीटा कैजन और बीएमपी. फिर देखो अगर ड्रोसोफिला की अगर बात करें तो उसमें होता है एफजीएफ और हार्मोनिक ऑफ डीपीपी. एंटीरियर पोस्टीरियर एक्सिस स्पेसिफिकेशन इन मैमल लिम्ब तो होता है सोनिक हेजोग एफजीएफ और नोच. देखो इनके जी सिस्टीन रिच डिफेंसिव लाइफ पेप्टाइड 2 टीटी डाइमर मिथाइल पोलिन हाइड्रोक्सीपोलिन hydroxyproline is recovered from TT epidermis does not accurately represent the law of chemosynine. If देखो central cell secrete cysteine is LUR e peptide it is C-synergis the secret peptide additionally incorrectly assigned chemokinin TT cells. फिर देखो RB Rab 5C or expand enhances endocytosis leading to faster ligand removal is hyper gradient lower FGF level at distance further from the source represented by distance dashed line and causa dynemin inhibition reduces endocytosis allowing FGF to remain longer in the extracellular space resulting in the slower gradient with the higher concentration at distance shown by the solid line. This pattern measures the gradient C. फिर देखें हमको बताना है गिवन विल आर आउटकम ऑफ ट्रांसप्लांटेशन एक्सपेरिमेंट विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग करेक्टली बताना है हमको तो वो रहता है ए और बी. ए और सी वेंट्रल डोर्सल टेक्टोडर्म फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एक सेकंड को इसमें क्या है ए सी ही आंसर. देखो वेंट्रल एक सेकंड वेंट्रल डोर्सल को कहाँ पे करा डोर्सल पे तो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ टू एम्ब्रियोनिक एक्सिस विद सेम इंटीरियर पोस्टीरियर पोलैरिटी. फिर आ जाता है नोट ऑल्डो dorsally blastocyst formation of secondary limb. In the 16 cell embryo, the prospective fate of the vegetal blastomere is endoderm, while that animal called blastomere is actually in cell 16 such a vegetal all blastomere was grafted to animal pole and will develop into ectoderm. It will change its fat surrounding tissue which has ectoderm. देखो रिवर्स को कैटालिटिक मैकेनिज्म Injured begin with the annualization endoleate formulation. The RUBP making a statement is correct. The oxygenase activity produces 1,3 phosphoglycerol and 2 OPG. 4 2 phosphoglycerol. So statement D is also correct. However, the carbon-carbon bond is created between C2 and C3, not C2 and C3 and C4. Making a statement D is correct. And the carboxylation reaction yield 2 3 carbon phosphoglycerol molecule rather than only one, making its statement C is incorrect. The correct answer is D. Again. फिर देखो आरपीएमएस कहलाता है the synthesis of leucine knockdown reduces leucine production leucine normally inhibit AHAS activity reduction and release AHAS inhibition leading to increased synthesis of 2 iso of validity which is a precursor for both valent and isolation. This result in actual level of valent isolation. फिर देखो मैं बताती हूँ प्राइमरी सप्लाई द C5 unit for monoterapist and diterapist note the MEWA clonate pathway. Typically, system is partially connected what means leading while the map pathway does not supply C5 unit for the sesquiterpene directly by tracking IPP to the cytosol. The membrane pathway is generally responsible for the sesquiterpene biosynthesis. However, in some cases, like snapdragon flower, the map pathway contribute to sesquiterpenes. फिर देखो कैरोटीनॉइड क्लीवेज डीऑक्सीराइज जो स्ट्रिगोलेक्टोन ये क्या है कैरोटीनॉइड क्लीवेज डीऑक्सीराइज स्ट्रिगोलेक्टोन आर ड्राइव फ्रॉम द कैरोटीनॉइड विया कैरोटीनॉइड क्लीवेज डीऑक्सीराइज फिर आता है ईआर फिर ईआर लोकेटेड साइटोक्रोम P450 मोनोऑक्सीजनेज ये कहता है ब्रेसिनोइस्टेरॉइड ब्रेसी बायोसिंथेसिस हो जो साइटोक्रोम P4 लोकेटेड इन द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम फिर आ जाता है एचसीसी ऑक्सीडेज इथाइलिन एचसीसी Oxidase catalyze the final step in ethylene biosynthesis. Carboxylic ACC1 ACC1 amino cyclopropane 1 carboxylic acid to ethylene. Another 9 6 epoxycarotenoid deoxygenase. ये करता है एसिटिक एसिड दिस एंजाइम प्लेज अ क्रूशियल रोल इन एसिटिक एसिड एबीए बायोसिंथेसिस बाय क्लीविंग कैरोटीनॉइड्स फिर देखो हमको करेक्ट बताना है तो करेक्ट हो जाता है बी ट्राइओस फॉस्फेट विल बी एक्यूमुलेटेड मोर इन द क्लोरोप्लास्ट ठीक है और जनरल फॉस्फेट विल बी एक्यूमुलेटेड मोर इन द साइटोसोल फिर देखो when both triose phosphate and xylose phosphate translocated are inhibited, the export of triose phosphate from chloroplast will be significantly impaired because TPP primarily responsible for exporting triose phosphate out of the class in exchange for inorganic phosphate, and XBT can also transport triose phosphate to lesser extent, supporting TPS function, giving and given this triphosphate will accumulate more in chloroplast because it cannot be efficiently exported with this I align with the assumption regarding xylose 5-phosphate expertise primarily role in the determining control phosphate pathway, including xylose 5-phosphate from the extra plastids space and making them available to the plastids. If XPT is inhibited, xylose 5-phosphate would accumulate more in the cytosol because it cannot be efficiently transported in the chloride. This aligns with the accumulation assumption. Therefore, the combination of D is correct. देखो है शोन देख ऐसा नोट डाउन लाइज स्केल क्यू मैं करेक्ट बताना होगा तो करेक्ट बताते हैं ऐसे कैलकुलेट इन्फेक्शन विल बी स्लो इन द म्यूटेंट प्लांट और the endocytic recycle pathway in the infected cells will be compromised in the mutant cells. देखो स्टेटमेंट यूज कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन देते हैं SYTA नोकडाउन लाइज है KLQ4 सिस्टमेटिक इन्फेक्शन डिलेड एंड द सेल टू सेल स्प्रेड ऑफ इट्स मूवमेंट प्रोटीन इज इनहिबिटर फिर देखो SY the mutant can delay or inhibit the spread of virus like KLQV. They do not confer complete resistance to the infection. फिर देखो SYTA in the endosome recycling and loss of function would like this pathway affecting viral movement through the plasmodesmata. This is SY TF function tend to hinder virus appear rather than the exacerbate symptoms. करेक्ट बताना हमको Hematopoiesis in a human. Bone marrow stem cell do give rise to osteoclasts via monocyte lineage and mast cells, so the statement is wrong. 75% bone marrow cells mature to into WBC and 25% जो हो जाता है ना वो हो जाता है RBC, making this statement is correct. Normal myeloid to erythroid ratio in bone marrow is meaning of for everyone erythroid RBC precursor. There are WBC precursor. The bone marrow produces a more white blood cells WBC than the red white blood cells because RBC have a shorter lifespan and constantly needed for immune system. In adult, hematopoiesis is restricted to specific bones. Example, pelvis sternum have vertebrae not in all bones. Hematopoiesis stem cell give rise to commuter cells, not the other way around. Fasting increase growth hormone. देखो ट्रू जो है फास्टिंग ग्रोथ हार्मोन सीक्रेशन एज अ कंपेंसेटरी मैकेनिज्म मेंटेन एनर्जी बैलेंस ग्रोथ हार्मोन लिपोलाइसिस एंड ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस हेल्प इन प्रिजर्व ग्लूकोज लेवल ड्यूरिंग फास्टिंग देखो रेम स्लीप डिक्रीज ग्रोथ हार्मोन ट्रू ग्रोथ हार्मोन secretion occurs primarily during slow wave sleep, not during REM sleep. In REM sleep, growth hormone is reduced compared to slow wave sleep. फिर आता है cortisol increase growth hormone जो कि जाता है गिरा cortisol generally suppress growth hormone secretion by increasing somatostatin growth inhibiting hormone and chronic stress and high cortisol level reduces growth hormone rather than increasing them. फिर आता है hypoglycemia strongly stimulate hypoglycemia decreases है ग्रोथ हार्मोन जो कि रहता है गलत हाइपोग्लाइसेमिया जो स्ट्रांगली स्टिमुलेट ग्रोथ हार्मोन टू कांटेक्ट लो ब्लड शुगर बाय है thus growth hormone increases not decreases during hypoglycemia. फिर देखो the rate of travel the pulse wave is lower than the velocity of blood flow in the arteries because for pulse wave velocity is actually much faster then the blood flow velocity, the pulse wave moves through the atrial walls elastic recoil at speed 5 to 15 mph. Yes, blood flow velocity is much slower, 0.5 to 0.5 meter per in second is ceremony incorrect. देखो the pulse wave moves slower with the advancing as the arteries become more rigid. As with the aging arteries become stiffer, reducing their ability to expand and recoil. This actually increases the pulse wave velocity rather than the slowing it down. This is technically incorrect. So the pulse wave is strong when the stroke volume is large in exercise. True हो जाता है because large stroke volume as in exercise leads to higher systolic pressure resulting in a stronger pulse wave. Rather the statement ratios of pulse depend on the magnitude of pulse pressure, not on the mean arterial pressure. To pulse strength primarily is determined by pulse pressures are systolic, diastolic, not mean arterial pressures. The statement is correct. फिर देखो स्पेशलाइज फिर देखो स्पेशलाइज इन intrafusal fiber in muscle spindle have non-contractile polar and contractile center force because intrafusal fibers have a contractile polar and non-contractile center. The central region contains the sensory ending while the polar end contain a contractile element activated by gamma motor neurons. The intrafusal fibers do not contribute to the overall contractile force to the muscles. To intrafusal fibers are usually sensory detection and not contribute significantly to force generation. The muscle spindle sensitivity but not to overall muscle contraction. The primary sensory ending in muscle is released found by group first A afferent fibers to group first A afferent fiber wrap around the central non-contractile region of both nuclear bag and nuclear chain fiber. In the experiment, these fibers provide a rapid feedback to the spinal cord for stress reflex regulation. The axon of alpha motor neuron having a diameter of 12 to 20 micrometer inward, inward innervate. The muscle is spindle as a motor nerve. And because alpha motor neurons in inner way extra visual fibers, not muscle spindles. Gamma motor neurons, not a motor neurons, involve interfused fibers to maintain spindle sensitivity. See, the osmotic diuresis occur when non-reabsorbed solids, example, mineral remain in the tubular fluid, leading to increased water exchanges and mechanism involve changes in water and sodium reabsorption along nephron. In the proximal tubular water reabsorption falls due to presence of mineral in tubular fluid and concentration of sodium decrease in this fluid. Because mineral is an osmotic agent, it is remain the tubular fluid and usually water reabsorption in the proximal tubule. The dilute sodium concentration decreases the passive reabsorption. In descending loop of healthy reabsorption of water is uh, engaged as the medullary hypertonicity is decrease in osmotic diuresis cause water reabsorption in the descending loop of actually decrease in osmotic diuresis. देखो मेडिकल यूजेज है मेडिकली हाइपरसेंसिटिव रीजन को लेस वाटर बीइंग रीअब्सॉर्ब्ड नॉट मोर इस टाइम मींस ये हो जाता है इनकरेक्ट हो जाता है इन तीन असेंडिंग लूप ऑफ हेल्दी रीअब्सॉर्प्शन ऑफ सोडियम जो है इंक्रीज हो जाता है as the concentration gradient sodium decrease cause the sodium concentration gradient is actually reduced with each decreases passive sodium reabsorption in the thin ascending loop. देखो sodium reabsorption through the passive diffusion which impaired when gradient is dissimilar. In the gradient reabsorption of water is less because of decreasing osmotic gradient along the medullary pyramid in osmotic diuresis to metabolic disruption. The osmotic gradient in the renal medulla reduces the ability of adheres to promote water reabsorption of the collecting depth. This lead to increased urine output diuresis. Critical large prostate disease benign prostate hyperplasia is the community treated by the androgen receptor reduce affected testosterone dehydrotestosterone DST which prostate and growth a drug should target and terminal domain to the to the and terminal domain entity of area are essential for its transcription activity making it an effective drug and it remain active even if the ligand binding domain LBD is blocked which is why as some newer drugs EP1001 are designed to target the entity stopped of the function. Physical drug should be not targeted as domain to the AR force. Targeting analogous domain could prevent AR from entering the nucleus. फिर आता है some AR targeting therapies work blocking by nuclear translocation, so avoiding the analogous domain is not necessary. The drug should bind to the ligand binding domain of the AR. To the time most conventional anti-androgen drug, glutamide work by blocking the LVD. So the prevent AR activation and stop prostate cell proliferation. फिर आता है the drug should activate the CYP17A1 to facilitate conversion of pregnenolone to DHEA. और ज्यादा because CYP17A1 inhibitor maybe later on are actually used to reduce androgen synthesis. Active 17A1 would increase the DIA and androgen precursor, worsening prostate enlargement. फिर इसके अंदर हमको बताना है हिस्टोजीन बायोसिंथेसिस जीन के अंदर बताना है इसमें देखो फर्स्ट में अगर बात करें तो फर्स्ट में आ जाता है फर्स्ट आ जाता है 3 आ जाता है और 6 आ जाता है फर्स्ट ग्रुप के अंदर तो सेकंड ग्रुप के अंदर कौन आ जाता है 2 आता है 4 आ जाता है और 5 आ जाता है कौन आता है 5 आ जाता है थर्ड के अंदर 1 आता है 3 आता है और 6 आता है फोर के अंदर क्या आ जाता है 2 आता है 4 आता है 5 आता है 5 के अंदर क्या आता है 2 आता है 2 आता है 4 आता है और 5 आता है 2 ग्रुप आ जाता है इसके अंदर देखो बेस एनालॉग आर मिमिक्स नॉर्मल बेसेस leading to increased base pair of fibromucinosis. What is a well-known example? Intercalating agent insertion between DNA bases, causing friendship mutation and ethidium bromide जो है classic intercalating agent. Deaminating agent remove amino group from bases leading to misfire. And nitrous oxide is known as deaminating mutation alkali agent add alkali group to bases. Disruption normal pairing and ethyl methyl sulfoate as well-known alkylating agent. ए में क्या आ जाता है? 4 आता है। बेस एनालॉग में कहता है फाइब्रोमोयूरेसिल आ जाता है। बी में इंटरकैलेटिंग जो है टीबी आ जाता है। डिमिनेटिंग एजेंट जो है वो नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड आ जाता है। एल्काइलेटिंग आ जाता है इथाइल मिथाइल सल्फोनेट आ जाता है। फिर देखो सेल्फ स्पीसीज एग्जिबिट एडिटिव जीन जीन where the trait inherited cumulative allowing easier selection and fixation of superior allele over generation simply related qualitative or oligogenic trait, typically non-additive dominance epitasis gene. As the expression often depend on the interaction between some few major genes, gene linearity association of superior gene. And D is more difficult with dominance deletion since they provide mass deficiency only preventing their complete elimination or filtration through the selection of a non-additive gene action is actually more prevalent in cross-pollinated species. फिर देखो इसमें जाता है बी आ जाता है देखो द म्यूटेशन लीडिंग टू सेपिया आई कलर सेपिया आई कलर is autosomal as seen in inheritance pattern across both male and female offspring making a true yellow body color is recessive as seen in one generation when all females have a true grey body meaning V is false. 1/4 of the after generation our X has to be made with the yellow body. We can assuming a statistically consistent and magnitude to the absence of 9:3:1 ratio does not necessarily imply gene linkage as other factors like epistasis could influence segregating making defaults and the correct response is TFT. Yes. फिर देखो BMP biparental mapping is conducted on controlled process while GWAS is